Another one! Another one! Oh my God.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for western Forsyth County until 3:45 p.m. At 3:19 p.m.
Holy crap! Forsyth!
A tornado was located over Huntsville, or 8 miles southeast of Yadkinville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
Clay Ranger, this is for you.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows,
I knew this was gonna happen.
will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Winston Salem around 3:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Rural Home, Donahue, Foxtown, Stanleyville, and Louisville. Take cover now.
Oh crap, Louisville. My grandmother lives there.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Forsyth, North Carolina.
There's the AS tones with Paul again.
That's your